We are in unprecedented times. Uncertainty, constant change, and fear can be pretty overwhelming. But we've got something that can change that. Together with your involvement, we can help protect our vulnerable, our essential workers, ourselves, and our loved ones.
My name is Keith. I am the CEO of Zeppelin LLC. I'm coming to you from the Redwoods in California. Seemed like a really cool place to introduce myself to you. Our company is new. We introduced ourselves in September of 2019 to the restoration industry,
building products to help isolate water-damaged areas of homes and other structures.
We do inflatable, reusable containment. So here we are. We are retooling a product that we just launched 6 months ago because it's so relevant.
We call it Airwall RX.
What we can do is we can use our equipment to set up negative containment in a room in a residence.
To illustrate, let's assume an infected family member is being confined in this lower right bedroom. In this example, we would place the Airwall RX here and create an isolated airspace in this area, confining and trapping harmful airborne particles away from the rest of the house. The HEPA unit attached to the Airwall RX cleans the air and creates negative air pressure in the room. This is a form of medical isolation that doctors and hospitals use to keep sick people from getting everyone else sick. In an opposite situation, you might have a healthy or a vulnerable person in the room. In that case, you would move the HEPA unit to the other side of the air wall and maintain positive pressure in the room to keep the person safe from the rest of the house. Look at the needle on the left. As I pull away the Airwall X here for a moment, you'll see the pressure drop. When I release the air wall, the needle snaps back and pressure is restored almost instantly. As we're coming in here, I'm going to draw your attention to the windows where you can check on your patient and interact with them. When necessary, the filtration holes can be used to pass across small items without breaking containment. Setting up the Airwall RX literally takes minutes.
Air pollution is a global epidemic, not just a problem of the big industrious cities of Asia. It's a silent killer, stalking the streets of all major cities, even in Europe. But even when people try to protect themselves, they are let down by poor ergonomics, poor functionality, and limited knowledge. But this is about to change. Maximized comfort, easy to breathe, safer sealing system, better air filter efficiency, smart sensor monitoring, networked feedback to alert the community.
AirBeast Plus is the next generation pollution mask. The current solutions are not suitable for daily usage, and the result is more and more premature death from pollution-related disease. Everybody works on reducing air pollution, but we all know it will not happen overnight. We believe that people should protect themselves right now.
Hi, I'm Tom, founder of Bleep Bleeps. In response to the coronavirus, we've decided to launch a crowdfunding campaign for a product we believe could really make a difference. Introducing Tony Temper Smart Thermometer. Tony is a family-friendly, contactless thermometer that sends anonymous data to the cloud to help prevent and predict the spread of pandemics like the coronavirus. With global pandemics, real-time symptom tracking is essential. If we can track the spread of fever, it can act as an early warning system for current and future viruses. We can stop the spread of disease through quicker action. But getting the data is hard. Right now, citizens are manually reporting symptoms through platforms and apps, and medical professionals manually report data upstream. Also, sharing the data is hard. National governments manually report data upstream, and global organizations manually share that data. All this takes time, and that lag costs lives. Waiting days or weeks before we have access and knowledge around symptoms globally means slower action, faster spread, more deaths. We can fix this. Meet Tony Temper. Tony measures your body temperature by taking a reading from the temporal artery on your forehead. He instantly shows the results on his LED display and sends the reading to the Bleep Bleeps app on your smartphone. The Bleep Bleeps app tracks temperature for everyone in your family or your household and sends anonymous data to the cloud for global fever tracking. We're on a mission to end the spread of global pandemics. We hope you'll join us on this journey to create this product and this platform. Our vision is that every person, every organization has access to the data and the tools to help stop the spread of global pandemics.
The World Health Organization has told governments to carry out extensive testing for COVID-19. Why aren't governments testing everyone? Proper testing is time-consuming, expensive, and dependent on laboratory analysis. This is why OmniMed has developed the patent-pending OmniMed One, a home test kit for COVID-19. The test relies on the polymerase chain reaction method, which is the testing method recommended by the WHO. What makes the OmniMed One special is its ease of use and high-accuracy PCR process for at-home testing. The PCR method allows the user to detect the presence of virus particles as soon as symptoms arise. The device consists of two parts, a docking station and an interchangeable mouthpiece. The docking station is reusable and can serve multiple people, while the mouthpiece is for one-time use only. The mouthpieces will be available separately and can be tailored biochemically to detect other viruses as well. Using OmniMed One involves 3 steps. Blow into the mouthpiece for 1 minute. This will bind the virus to a chemical solution in the device. Plug the device into a power source and wait for 30 minutes, and the PCR process will be carried out automatically. Evaluate the result by taking note of the color shown in the small window on the device. In order to fund the development of the OmniMed One, we are looking to raise capital. The money will be used to support the project as we enter clinical investigations with laboratory partners at the beginning of April. We will then engage with authorities to push the approval process in the EU, US, and UK. Having the population test from home will ease the stress on the healthcare system, allowing healthcare professionals to attend to those who really need it.
The Ultrasona is an ultra-portable device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible. We built the Ultrasona for travelers cleaning on the go without breaking the bank, moms and dads trying to clean for those who can't clean for themselves, and for those just looking for a better way to clean clothing, fruits, veggies, jewelry, and hundreds of other things. At 50,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second, you can actually see the dirt lifting off the clothes, jewelry, food, and more. The Ultrasona cleans deeper, more thoroughly, and more effectively than anything else in your house. Here's how it works. Ultrasona generates microscopic ultrasonic sound waves that create high-pressure bubbles in the water that collapse and dislodge contaminants from surfaces at the microscopic level. That's right. It literally uses sound waves to eliminate dirt, grime, oil, and bacteria from virtually anything. The waves are powerful enough to break through this tin foil. But it's gentle enough to clean delicates and lingerie that can't go in the washer. Ultrasona is actually gentler than hand washing. All you have to do is put Ultrasona in water and plug it in. It's that easy. Ultrasona brightens linens and cleans stains in minutes. It's safe to use with satin, lace, and other delicate materials. With such concentrated power, Ultrasona cleans fast and deep. Ultrasona is the perfect cleaning tool for families. It can clean baby products, toys, and bed sheets in seconds. Clean scuffs and stains, and restore a brilliant shine to jewelry. Clean makeup off brushes and pads. Lift hard-to-clean grease off tools, and easily clean paintbrushes. It can also clean your razor and other personal hygiene items. Put Ultrasona into the sink after a meal and relax while it does all the work. Clean fresh fruits and vegetables and eliminate harmful pesticides and other contaminants in seconds. Sterilize the items most vulnerable to bacteria and protect those most vulnerable to microscopic dangers. Enjoy a cleaner home and a healthy family with Ultrasona.